Bulbul kids. First in India male. First President of India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. First Vice President of India, Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. First Prime Minister of India, Jawaharlal Nehru. First Indian win Nobel Prize, Rabindranath Tagore. First to join Indian Civil Service, Satyendranath Tagore. First sports person to get Bharat Ratna, Sachin Tendulkar. First Law Minister of India, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. First Indian cosmonaut, Rakesh Sharma. First Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics, C.V. Raman. First Indian to receive Bharat Ratna Award, C. Rajgopalachari. Bulbul kids, subscribe now.